You will get the demo version of our software with different templates and the application file. Now run the application. Here you will get the different menu with Excel to Tally and GST features. Now go to the GST feature folder. Now open the GSTR1 template. You can see the summary view of GSTR1 with a different type of invoice type. Here you will see the different sheet of GST invoice type. There are 3 ways to import your data. First, you can manually copy-paste the data. Second, you can open your Excel file and import the data. And third, you can get the GSTR1 data from Tally. Now we will see how to import your data from your Excel file. Select the file and open that. Now it will get opened in background. You can see here the Excel file starts from second row to the 36 is the number. Now we will select the sheet 1. Now we will enter the start row and end row, which is 36. Now we will click on Start Mapping button. It will map the data as per your Excel file. You can see the different fields here. Now we will click on Import Data. It will import your Excel data in our template. These are the GSTN number. You can validate the GSTN number. If any incorrect GSTN number, it will highlight that in red color. You can also choose the date format according to GST Portal. Now you can select place of supply and it will auto generate place of supply with respect to GSTN number. Now if you want to calculate the GST values and not present there, you can click on Calculate GST. It will calculate those values with corrections. Now your data is ready to upload on GST Portal. You can check this on GSTR1 summary with respect to invoice type. Now we will see how to import data from Tally. Simultaneously open your Tally software. These are the records in your Tally which we want to import in our GSTR1 template. Go to the template, then click on Get GSTR1 data from Tally. Select the company. Now specify the date. Click on Import Tally Data button. It will import all the data from Tally to our GSTR1 template. Now you can view the data. Your data is now ready to upload to GST Portal. This is the summary view of GSTR1. You can check it here. Now your data is ready to upload to GST Portal. Now click on Add GST Company if not already added. Fill in the details and click on Add Company. It will add your company. Now click on Connect with GST Company for authentication. You will get the OTP on your register mobile number. Enter your OTP here. It will connect to GST Portal. Then you can upload the GSTR data. Select your company GSTN. Select the return period. Then you can upload the GSTR1 data to portal. It will show successful message of uploaded data. Click on OK. You can also reset the GSTR1 data if any error or any correction to be need to there. You can manually download the GSTR1 JSON file if you want to upload your data to the GST Portal manually. Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website at TallyConnects.com. You can also call us on these numbers mentioned in description. Thank you.